Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix slow startup on your Windows 10 and Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Windows 10 or Windows 11 starting very slow when you on your desktop or laptop, then I'll show you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open the task manager. For that, you have to just right click on your start menu. In this you will find task manager. Click on this, or you can press Ctrl Alt Delete, and in that you can select task manager. In left side you can see here startup apps. You will find this type of logo. You have to just click on that. I will maximize the screen. In this you can see these are the apps which are starting when you turn on your desktop or laptop. You can see these are the apps. The status is enabled. So what you have to do, you have to just right click on that, then click on disable. Then the status will be disabled, and next time when you on your desktop or laptop, this app will not run. Like that you have to check all the other apps and disable it which are not necessary. After doing this, just close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix slow startup on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.